Good morning, students. This is Suresh, Maths faculty from DAV High School, SDSTPS, AP Genco, Neltur. In this video, we are going to discuss operation on real numbers related to rational numbers, chapter 1, class 9. Operations on a real numbers. We have learned in previous class that rational numbers satisfy the commutative, associative and distributive laws for addition and multiplication, and also we learned that rational numbers are closed with respect to addition, subtraction, multiplication. Can you say irrational numbers are also closed under four fundamental operations? Look at the following examples. Root 3 plus bracket minus root 3 is equal to 0. Here cancel plus root 3 and minus root 3. So we get 0. Here 0 is a rational number. One more example, root 5 minus root 5 is equal to 0. Here the difference of root 5 and root 5 is 0. So 0 is a rational number. One more example, root 2 into root 2, that is equal to 2. Here 2 is a rational number. Since root 2 into root 2, that is equal to root 4. We know root 4 value is 2. One more example, root 7 by root 7, that is equal to 1. Here 1 is also a rational number. Let us see some problems on irrational numbers. Example 12. Check whether 5 root 2, second question 5 by root 2, third question 21 plus root 3, fourth question 5 plus 3 are irrational numbers or not. Solution. We know root 2 is equal to 1.414 and so on, so root 3 is equal to 1.732 and so on, so pi is equal to 3.1415 and so on. So the first question solution, 5 root 2, that is equal to 5 into 1.414 and so on. So means root 2 is equal to 1.414, that is equal to 7.070 and so on. So solution for second question, 5 by root 2, that is equal to 5 by root 2 into root 2 by root 2. Here numerator and denominator multiple by root 2, that is equal to 5 root 2 by 2. Since root 2 into root 2 is equal to 2, that is equal to 5 root 2 value is 7.070 by 2. After division we get 3.535 and so on. So third question solution, 21 plus root 3, that is equal to 21 plus, substitute the root 3 value, that is 1.732 and so on. So that is equal to, after add 22.732 and so on. So solution for fourth one, pi plus 3, that is equal to 3.1415 and so on, so plus 3. After addition 6.1415 and so on. So all these are non-terminating, non-recurring decimal. What did you observe? The sum, difference, quotient and products of irrational numbers need not be irrational numbers. So we can say irrational numbers are not closed with respect to addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Thus they are irrational numbers. From this example we understood if q is a rational number and s is a irrational number, then q plus s, q minus s, q into s and q by s, here s not equal to 0, are irrational numbers. Example 13. Subtract 5 root 3 plus 7 root 5 from 3 root 5 minus 7 root 3. Solution. 3 root 5 minus 7 root 3 bracket minus bracket 5 root 3 plus 7 root 5, that is equal 3 root 5 minus 7 root 3 and remove the bracket, then change the sign of 5 root 3 and 7 root 5, that is minus 5 root 3 minus 7 root 5. Here add the like terms, that is 3 root 5 and minus 7 root 5, that is equal to minus 4 root 5 minus 7 root 3 minus 5 root 3, that is minus 12 root 3. Here separate the minus, that is minus of 4 root 5 plus 12 root 3. Example for 14. Multiply 6 root 3 with 13 root 3. Solution. 6 root 3 into 13 root 3. That is equal to 6 into 13 into root 3 into root 3. That is equal to 6 13 ja 78 and root 3 into root 3 3. Therefore 78 into 3 is equal to 234. We now list some properties relating to square roots which are useful in various ways. Let a and b be positive real numbers. Then the first one, root ab is equal to root a into root b. Second one, root of a by b is equal to root a by root b if b not equal to 0. Third point, root a plus root b into root a minus root b is equal to a minus b. Fourth one, a plus root b into a minus root b is equal to a square minus b. Fifth one, root a plus root b into root c plus root d is equal to root ac plus root ad plus root bc plus root bd. Sixth point, root a plus root b whole square is equal to a plus 2 into root ab plus b. Let us look at some particular cases of these properties. Example 15. Simplify the following expression. First question, 3 plus root 3 into 2 plus root 2. Solution for first question. First, 2 plus root 2 multiple with 3, that is equal to 6 plus 3 root 2. Next, root 3 multiple with 2 plus root 2, that is 2 root 3 plus root 6. Solution for second question. 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3, that is equal to 2 square minus root 3 whole square. Here we can apply algebraic identity of a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square. 2 square means 4, root 3 whole square means 3, that is equal to 1. Solution for third question, root 5 plus root 2 whole square, that is equal to, we know that a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Here a value is root 5 and b value is root 2, that is equal to root 5 whole square plus 2 root 5 into root 2 plus root 2 whole square. Here cancel the root and square. Therefore 5 plus 2 root 10 plus 2. Add like terms. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7 plus 2 root 10. Solution for fourth question. Root 5 minus root 2 into root 5 plus root 2, that is equal to root 5 whole square minus root 2 whole square. Here we apply a minus b into a plus b, that is equal to a square minus b square. Then root square and root square cancel, we get 5 minus 2, that is equal to 3. What is rationalizing factor? If the product of two irrational numbers is a rational number, then each of the two is the rationalizing factor of other. Here RF means rationalizing factor. Example of rationalizing factor. 7 root 3 convert into rational number. That is 7 root 3 into root 3. That is equal to 7 into 3. Here root 3 into root 3 is equal to 3. That is equal to 21. Here root 3 is called rationalizing factor of 7 root 3 and 7 root 3 is also called rationalizing factor of root 3 according to definition. Here rationalizing factor is also called conjugate. Root 3 into 2 root 3, that is equal to 7 2s are 14 into root 3 into root 3 is equal to 3, that is equal to 42. Here 2 root 3 is also called rationalizing factor since the product is 42. It is a rational number. 7 root 3 into 3 root 3. 7 3s are 21, root 3 into root 3, 3. That is equal to 63. Here 3 root 3 is also called rationalizing factor since the product is 63. It is a rational number. From this example, we notice that the rationalizing factor of a given irrational number is not unique. It is convenient to use the root 3 lowest rationalizing factor of 7 root 3. One more example, find rationalizing factors of the denominators of 1 by 2 root 3 and 3 by root 5. Solution for first question. To rationalize the denominator of 1 by 2 root 3. So, multiple the numerator and denominator by root 3. We get 1 by 2 root 3 is equal to 1 by 2 root 3 into root 3 by root 3. Multiple the numerators, 1 root 3 is a root 3. Multiple the denominators, 2 into 3, that is equal to root 3 by 6. Therefore, the rationalizing factor is root 3. Solution for second question. To rationalize the denominator of 3 root 5. Multiple the numerator and denominator of 3 root 5 by root 5. We get 3 by root 5 is equal to 3 by root 5 into root 5 by root 5. That is equal to 3 root 5 by 5. Since root 5 into root 5 is equal to 5. Therefore, the rationalizing factor is root 5. From these two examples, this method is called rationalize the denominators. We'll discuss exercise 1.4 problems in the next video. Thank you.